Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to disable comments on your WordPress website. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn off comments for both new posts and any existing posts or pages you want. No confusion, no code, and no extra plugins. If you're tired of sorting through spam, want more control over your conversation, or you're just building a site that doesn't need feedback on every post, this tutorial is for you. So let's jump right in. First off, let's make it so that from this point on, new posts on your site won't accept comments by default. This is a really handy setting. Think of it as flipping a master switch, so you don't have to remember to turn off comments every time you write something new. Here, how you do it, head over to your WordPress dashboard and on the left side look for the menu called Settings. Go ahead and click on it, then select Discussion. This section is where WordPress handles all your site's discussion and commenting settings. Now once you're in, look near the top for a section called Default Post Settings. You'll see a box that says Allow people to submit comments on new posts. If you leave this checked, any new post you publish will have comments enabled. But today we want to switch this off, so just uncheck that box. What we're doing here is telling WordPress, no comments on anything new from now on, please. This won't affect posts you've already published, but it covers you for everything in the future. While you're here, don't forget this next part. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. It's an easy step to miss, and if you skip it, your settings won't stick. Think about it like writing a note to yourself. You want to make sure it's actually taped to the fridge, not just left on the kitchen counter. Alright, so that takes care of future content. But what about posts or pages you've already published? Maybe you want to disable comments on a particular page or on a post that's getting more attention than you expected. No problem, here how you do it one by one. First, in your dashboard, click on Posts or Pages, depending on where you want to make the change. Let's say you want to update a page. Just click on the title of that page to jump into the editor. Over on the right side, you'll see a sidebar with all sorts of options. You might need to scroll a little bit, but look for a section called Discussion. Sometimes you'll need to click a little arrow to expand it, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Inside the discussion section, you'll see Allow Comments, or sometimes it's shown as Open Closed. If you want to turn off comments for this page, click to set it to Closed. This means visitors won't be able to add any new comments here. It's like putting up a gentle "Sorry, doors closed" sign to your comment section. If you don't see the discussion box at all, check the top right under Screen Options. It might just be hidden. Once you made your change, make sure you save or update the post so your decision takes effect. And that's it. You've just taken full control over your site's conversations. Remember, disabling comments can help keep things tidy and focused, especially if you're running a business site, a portfolio, or just want less moderation work. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Got any questions or a specific commenting scenario you're dealing with? Drop your question down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, straightforward WordPress tips just like this. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your site.